Hey there good people, it's Jara from Teutron. Welcome to my tutorial on how to increase your dedicated VRAM of your internal GPU. So someone named Carlos Mariano Blanco requested me to make a video on this topic. So if you're watching this, let's start. First you have to open run. To do that, just search run and you will get this pop-up. From there type reg edit and press OK, then yes. From there you'll see these drop downs. From there you have to find HKEY underscore local underscore machine, double tap on it, go to security. From there double tap on it, and then you have to find Intel. Once you double click on Intel, you have to find a folder named GMM. It may be not present in yours, so to create one, it's simple. It's a simple process. Just press on Intel by clicking right button of your mouse and then create a new key and type GMM. As I already have one, I won't be creating a new one, so let me just delete it. And then you have to double click on GMM. Once you are there, you will see only this one, the default one, not the second dedicated segment. For that you have to create a new dword value or keyword value. Now the dword value is for those who are running a 32-bit of their Windows, and keyword is for those who are running a 64-bit. So how do you know what's your bit? To know that, you have to go to this PC, then go to properties, and there you'll see the system type. Mine is 64-bit, it may be 32-bit in your PC, that's yours. So if yours a 32-bit, you have to create keyword, or if yours a 64-bit, you have to create keyword. The rest of the process is the same. There's nothing that's going to be changed. So here you have to write dedicated segment size. I will include this in my description. So as I already have one created, I won't be creating another one, so let me just delete it. So once you have created the dedicated segment size, you have to double click on it and put a value in it. So mind it will be deducted from your system memory, so don't increase too much, as it will take way too much system memory and it won't be any beneficial to you if you don't have sufficient system memory. So as I already shown you that I have 8 GB of RAM, I will be putting 512 in it. If you can also put 768 or 1024 if you have more than 8 GB of RAM installed in your PC. So for me it's 512 and I will be putting OK. And then you have to just restart the PC, and now mind it that it won't change anything internally, it's just a figurative thing. So it's just to trick your applications that need way too much VRAM than you already have. So there's that. I hope this tutorial helps you. So thank you.